children, open your GK book. From there in previous class I taught this hand shadow show and sports equipments. So this homework is not came back to me. It is very interesting subject. Yes or no? This you have to feel and enjoy. This you have to do and enjoy yourself. And that video you have to send me, I said. But no one is sent the homework. So today I am explaining 21st lesson eco-friendly habits, which are here. See, here is a Jambu taking about his habits. You have to find out whether it is an eco-friendly habit or not. If it is an eco-friendly habit, draw a smile on the given space. Here is given their space. From there you have to draw the smile. Which, if it is that habit is eco-friendly, means that is good for our nature and good for our surrounding. That is, you have to do the smiley. Otherwise, you have to draw the sad. Like this sad face you have to draw. So what is this first picture? Just you have to read the children. I listen to music at a very loud volume. लाउड वॉल्यूम, जोर से आवाज़ लगा के हम म्यूजिक सुनते हैं. दैट इज गुड फॉर आवर नेचर. दैट इज इको फ्रेंडली हैबिट. नो, इट इज नॉट अ इको फ्रेंडली हैबिट. दैट्स व्हाई यू ड्रॉ हियर सैड फेस. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? सैड फेस. लाइक दिस टाइप यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. एंड देन आई थ्रो गार्बेज in the bin. Here is a dustbin. Yes or no? In this dustbin, Jambu is throwing the banana skin. Yes or no? So this is good. That's why what you have to do? This is smiley face you have to draw. If you are having any garbage, that you have to don't throw anywhere. That you have to throw it in the dustbin. Yes, this is a good for our nature. Next, I use water left in the bottle to water plants. When you are coming to school, that time your water is left in the water bottle. What you are doing? That you have to what you have to do? Put the water in the to plants in your class, school garden or wherever. There you have to pour the water in the plant. Next, this is good. That's why you draw the smiley. And then I do not waste the food. When your mama is serving food in your plate, that time you are wasting all the food. That is not good. You don't waste the food. It is good. That's why you draw the smiley. And then I break plants for fun. Some flowers, some tree leaves that you are breaking or not. That is not good for our eco-friendly. This is not a eco-friendly habit. That's why you draw here sad. And then what is this? Jambu, what is doing here? I waste water while bathing. When you are taking shower, that time what you are doing? Wasting water or not? You like to play in the water. That's why you are wasting water. This is not good for good habit. This is not a eco-friendly habit. That's why you draw here sad face. And then in 7th picture what we can see here? I make paper bags from the old newspaper for shopping. So shopping के लिए old paper का bag use कर रहे हैं. This is very good. That's why you draw here smiley face. If also in your home what you have to do? Make paper bags using old newspapers. That you have to use for shopping. Don't use the polythene bags. That is not a good for. This is good for eco-friendly habit. It is eco-friendly habit. That's why you draw here smiley face. And then I use disposable glasses instead of reusable ones. Disposable glasses you are using daily. That is not good. You have to use the usable, means steel glasses you have to use. If it is necessary, then you have to use these glasses. Don't use any time, daily, every time. So you use glasses in your home. That again we are washing, again that using. Yes or no? That's why this is sad. you draw here like this, like sad face. Understood, children? This what you have to do, reading you have to do. You read this all the sentences and understand these pictures, recognize the pictures. So you have to write in your notebook. And then with this next lesson, sobriquets. Sobriquets are nicknames given to famous things, persons and places. सम प्लेस रहते हैं, सम पर्सन्स रहते हैं, उसको निक नेम रहते हैं. निक नेम बोले तो अभी हम निक्की, बंटी, चिंटू, ऐसे निक नेम पर्सन को यूज़ करते हैं. दैट टाइप हियर दे आर यूज्ड फॉर अ प्लेसेस. विच प्लेसेस आर हियर? दैट प्लेसेस they are using the some nicknames. Recognize the following places by their sobriquets. You may be use the elbows. So what you have to do, children? Just you have to recognize the pictures and write their nicknames. Here they given the nicknames and you have to write the what is the exact place name. That you have to write in the blank place. The land of the midnight sun. Which place we have to say? The land of the midnight sun. That is Norway. Norway को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Norway's nickname is the land of the midnight sun. Next, the land of cakes. Which name is this? Scotland का नाम क्या है? The land of cakes. So you have to write here Scotland. Next, the city of skyscrapers. Skyscraper means बड़ा buildings हम देख रहे हैं इस picture में. We have to see the buildings, very tall buildings. That tall buildings are say skyscrapers. So, in which place we can see this? This is we can see in the New York. That's why New York nickname is the city of skyscrapers. Next, fourth picture. A gift of Nile. What is this? A gift of Nile. Nile is the longest river that is in Egypt. That's why Egypt is a name of place. Nickname is the gift of Nile. Understood? So what you have to write here? Egypt. And then the land of the rising sun. The land of the rising sun. किसको बोलते हैं हम? जापान को. Japan is the name of country. That country's nickname is the land of rising sun. This is it country is developing country. So that's why this name is the land of the rising sun. So right here Japan. Next, in the sixth picture, what we can see here? The land of white elephants. The land of white elephants. Thailand को हम बोलते हैं the land of white elephants. Thailand is a particular name of place and nickname is the land of white elephants. Next, the land of golden the land of golden pagodas. It is the name of Myanmar. This is our nearest country to our India. Yes, what is this name? Myanmar. Myanmar को क्या बोलते हैं? The land of golden pagodas. And then sugar bowl of the world. किसको बोलते हैं sugar bowl of the world? This is Brazil. What is this? Brazil. So once again you have to write the name of places. So see here, first one is Norway, second one is Scotland, third one is New York, fourth one is Egypt, fifth one is Japan, sixth one is Thailand, seventh one is Myanmar, eighth one is Brazil. Do you understood, children? So what you have to do, children, in your notebook, you have to write the nicknames one side and that particular place name, your country name you have to write in another side. So that you have to complete it in your GK notebook and send your homework to me. Thank you.